हेलो एवरीवन, स्टोरी टेलर शिवानी में आपका स्वागत है। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कि टीएस एलियट की पोएम द वेस्ट लैंड से क्या-क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस बन सकते हैं। इस वीडियो की रिक्वेस्ट जयंती ने की थी। द वेस्ट लैंड की समरी पर मैंने ऑलरेडी एक वीडियो बना रखी है जिसकी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। अगर आप चैनल पर न्यू है तो चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करिएगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Who is the writer of the poem The Waste Land? So the answer is T.S. Eliot. Next, when was T.S. Eliot born? So he was born on 26 September 1888. Next, where was T.S. Eliot born? So he was born in St. Louis, Missouri, United States. Next question. When did T.S. Eliot die? So, he died on 4th January 1965. Next, what was the complete name of T.S. Eliot? So, his name was Thomas Stearns Eliot. Next question. T.S. Eliot was one of the major poets of dash century. So, the answer is 20th century. Next, T.S. Eliot was an dash poet, playwright, literary critic, and editor. So the answer is American English. Next, who is known as the leader of the modernist movement in poetry? So the answer is T.S. Eliot. Next question. When was Eliot awarded Nobel Prize in Literature? So the answer is in 1948. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं टीएस एलियट की बायोग्राफी पर वीडियो बनाऊं तो कमेंट्स में जरूर बताना। When was the poem The Waste Land published? So it was published in 1922. Next, how many lines are there in the poem The Waste Land? So there are 434 lines. Next question, where was the poem first published? So it was first published in United Kingdom in the October issue of Eliot's The Criterion. Next question. The Waste Land was issued in United States in the November issue of Dash. So the answer is of the Dial. Next. In how many sections is the poem The Waste Land divided? So it is divided into 5 sections. Next question. What is the name of the first section of the poem The Waste Land? So it is The Burial of the Dead. Next. What is the name of the second section of the poem The Waste Land? So it is A Game of Chess. Next question. What is the name of the third section of the poem? So it is The Fire Sermon. What is the name of the fourth section of the poem? So it is Death by Water. And what is the name of the fifth section of the poem? So it is What the Thunder Said. Next, The Waste Land is dedicated to whom? So it is dedicated to Ezra Pound. Next, what was the original title of the poem The Waste Land? So it was He Do the Police in Different Voices. Next, the poem The Waste Land is preceded by a Latin and Greek epigraph from Das. So the answer is from the Satyricon of Petronius. Next, which month is the cruelest? So the answer is April. Next, where is the Starnberger Sea? So it is near Munich and it is a lake. Next, the river sweats dash. So it sweats oil and tan. Next, what does the month April breed? So it breeds lilacs. Next, which city is mentioned in The Waste Land? So the answer is London. Next, Magnus Martyr is a dash. So it is a church. Next question, who visits the typist? So the answer is the young man Carbuncular. Next, who witnesses the visit? So the answer is Tiresias. Next, who was Mr. Eugenides? So, he was a merchant. Next question, who was the famous clairvoyant? So, it was Madame Sosostris. Next, who is throbbing between two lives? So, the answer is Tiresias. Next question, who raped Philomela? So, the answer is King Tyrrus. Next, who helped Eliot in editing the poem The Waste Land? So, the answer is Ezra Pound. Next question, who was not Russian but a real German? So, the answer is Mary. Next, what is the genre of The Waste Land? So, it is a modern epic. Next, the title The Waste Land is derived from dash. So, it is derived from Ritual to Romance by J.L. Weston. Next, who described the waste land as a music of ideas? So, the answer is I.A. Richards. Next question, who is Phoebus in the poem The Waste Land? So, he was a drowned sailor. Next, who was Albert in The Waste Land? So, he was Lil's husband. Next, who turned into a nightingale? So, the answer is Philomela. Next question, the legend of Fisher King in The Waste Land has been borrowed from. So, it is borrowed from Ritual to Romance. Next, the Hyacinth girl appears in which section? So, the answer is in first section. Next, the reference to Philomela occurs in dash section. So, it occurs in a game of chess. Next question, what was a symbol of warfare in the Waste Land that was a naval battle between the Romans and Carthage? So, the answer is melee. Next, a game of chess. This title is taken from two plays by dash. So, the answer is by Thomas Middleton. Next question, the third section opens with the image of dash. So, the answer is with the image of Thames River. Next, Mr. Eugenides invited the narrator to. So, the answer is to luncheon at a hotel. Next, who was Tiresias? So, he was the blind prophet. Next question, who was turned into a woman by goddess Hera? So, the answer is Tiresias. Next, which is the shortest section of the Waste Land? So, it is Death by Water. Next, the fourth section of the Waste Land describes about whom? So, the answer is about Phlebas. Next, what happened to Phlebas? So, he was lying dead in the sea. Next question, the words Datta, Dayadvam and Damyata belongs to dash. So, it belongs to Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Next, what does the word Datta mean? So, it means to give. Next, what does the word Dayadva mean? So, it means to control. And what does the word Damyata mean? So, it means to sympathize. Next question, the poem The Waste Land ends with a benediction. So, the answer is Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Next question, the shortest section of The Waste Land, Death by Water, contains how many lines? So, it contains 10 lines. Next, which is the longest section of the poem The Waste Land? So, it is the Fire Sermon. Next, how many lines are there in the Fire Sermon? So, there are 139 lines. Next, how many lines are there in the first section, The Burial of the Dead? So, it contains 76 lines. And the last question, the poem The Waste Land was written after which war? So, it was written after First World War. तो आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. थैंक यू.